Today I have another mailbox finds to unbox right before your very eyes. I promise there will be another video later this week, so stay tuned for that. But for now, we're gonna crack open this little box, see what's inside. It's taped up pretty good. See if we've... Oh wow, there's some nice packing. It looks like some very nice cars from what I could tell. Got 4 of them. And each one of these are packaged very, very well. Oh, we've got some old Matchbox. Very nice. You know, I'm not sure if I want to do a restoration on this. I probably will, but I kind of like it just how it is. It's Mercedes. I'm a big fan of Mercedes. I believe I have. Now this one I believe I have. Yeah, I do have one of these. I have yet to restore it. This one actually might be in poorer condition, which is a plus. I like to take cars that are in the worst condition that I can find and kind of restore those. So that's definitely getting restored. One of them. Ooh, I like this one. Now this one I'm torn. This is a Ferrari 312. This is a Redline. This does not have the, this has got the cap style wheels. But as you can tell, I don't know if I want to restore this one. Maybe I'll make a video with this one where we just kind of clean this up, because there is, I mean, there's a few slight chips right there, a few right there, and they're kind of throughout. But maybe we'll make a video where we just kind of clean it up and see how nice we can make it look just by cleaning it up. It's too nice to restore. I know I've restored ones that were just as nice on here before, but I really like this casting a lot. Ooh, I like this one. I believe this is a pickup. Now with this particular casting, I'm not going to touch this one. Not only is it in great shape, it's Spider-Man. And my grandson loves Spider-Man, as well as Captain America. Hopefully David doesn't mind that my grandson will get this particular casting. And I've actually never seen this casting. It is a Johnny Lightning. Looks like it was produced in '99, or at least that's when the base was produced. David, I really appreciate the cars. These are awesome. My grandson is going to love this. He's in bed right now. It's about 8:40 p.m. on Monday. If David has a YouTube channel, be sure to check out the description below. I will post that in there as well. Thank you everyone for the support. I really appreciate it. I love doing these little unboxings. Now I've noticed the unboxing videos get more dislikes than the other videos. I can assure you I'm not posting these videos to show off or anything like that. It's simply to say thank you to the people that send these wonderful gifts. If you'd like to donate a card to the channel, I do have my P.O. box listed on my main YouTube page, as well as the description that's located below the video. And believe me, I'm not asking for donations. We have more cars here than I know what to do with. But I've had a lot of viewers that have contacted me that want to get rid of their old cars, and they don't want to throw them away. Some of them like to see them get restored, and some of them just see how much my grandson enjoys them, so they just want to pass them on. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to post those below. And as always, thanks for watching.